Futures are trading lower in tandem with a rise in Treasury yields, reflecting concerns about the Federal Reserve's timing for interest rate cuts. The CBOE Volatility Index jumped to a 3-week high, indicating increased market uncertainty. Despite continued stock market strength, skepticism about imminent Fed rate cuts persists, with most traders now expecting a reduction by November or December. Comments from Fed's Williams and Bostic are anticipated on Wednesday for further insight into the economy and interest rate outlook, with the GDP estimate and PCE price index on watch for the rest of the week. Stocks on watch include Robinhood, which announced its first-ever buyback, and retail earnings names like Abercrombie and Fitch, and Robinhood Markets Inc., showing a plus 3.13% increase, is gapping up following the announcement of a $1 billion share repurchase program authorized by its board of directors. The buyback, expected to be completed over 2 to 3 years starting in Q3 2024, aims to return value to shareholders, with the company noting strong recent financial performance and increased interest in its services. Amazon.com Inc., down 0.85%, is trading lower pre-market after a U.S. district judge in Seattle denied the company's request to dismiss a Federal Trade Commission lawsuit, accusing the company of enrolling consumers into its paid Amazon Prime service without their consent. The FTC claims Amazon used deceptive practices, including dark patterns, to make it difficult to cancel Prime and enroll consumers unintentionally. Amazon has argued that it prominently disclosed all key terms, accusing the FTC of using vague concepts to penalize the company. Tesla Inc., down 1.12%, is on watch ahead of its annual shareholder meeting on June 13th, with CEO Elon Musk offering factory tours to 15 shareholders who vote on his $56 billion pay package in an effort to rally support after a court invalidated the compensation plan. The vote, scheduled to be announced on June 13th, is viewed as a referendum on Musk's leadership amid investor concerns over his other ventures and controversial comments affecting Tesla's reputation and sales. The company's board has emphasized the necessity of the pay deal to ensure Musk's commitment to Tesla. Separately, the Delaware judge who voided the pay package indicated confidence that Tesla would not use the shareholder vote to challenge her ruling. NVIDIA Corp., ticker NVDA, is up 0.31%, trading higher pre-market on continued strength from its earnings report last Wednesday. The company not only exceeded expectations but also announced a dividend increase and a 10-for-1 stock split. The stock's rally during Tuesday's session was buoyed by a report from The Information suggesting that Elon Musk's xAI was planning on amassing NVIDIA's H100 chips to build a supercomputer. American Airlines Group Inc., ticker AAL, is down 8.33%, gapping down after lowering its second quarter profit forecast. The airline cited weaker pricing power and announced the departure of Chief Commercial Officer Vasu Raja in June. American now expects adjusted earnings per share between $1 and $1.15, down from the previous $1.15 to $1.45 forecast. Additionally, it anticipates a 5 to 6% decline in revenue per available seat mile from the previous year. Following the update, Jefferies downgraded American Airlines from buy to hold, and analysts, including those from TD Cowen and Bernstein, cut their price targets for the stock. Chewy Inc., ticker symbol CHWY, is trading sharply higher, up 5.09%, following its earnings report. The company has announced up to $500 million in share buybacks. Chewy posted $2.88 billion in revenue, which is above the estimate of $2.85 billion. Additionally, earnings of 31 cents per share were up from 20 cents per share on a year-over-year basis. Abercrombie & Fitch Co., ticker symbol ANF, is up 2.33% and trading higher in the pre-market after its earnings report, which beat expectations for both earnings per share and revenue. Impressively, the company has increased its growth forecast for fiscal year 2024 net sales to 10%, compared to its previous range of 4 to 6%, and has guided second quarter net sales growth in the mid-teens on a year-over-year basis. Bitfarms Limited, ticker symbol BITF, is up 3.17% and trading higher after rejecting an unsolicited offer from Riot Platforms to purchase the company, citing a significant undervaluation. Bitfarms has reaffirmed its 2024 production guidance and says that it is actively working on strategic alternatives. Siyata Mobile Inc., ticker symbol SITA, has surged 72.67% and is trading sharply higher after announcing that it received an order from the City of Lancaster Public Utilities Department for its SD7 push-to-talk handsets, VK7 vehicle kits, and related accessories. Interestingly, the stock has a float of 723,370 shares, 7.4% of which are sold short,